guys, I broke my leg in Brookhaven. Ouch! And guys, shout out to Goku3. He's my friend, and yeah. Well, we were all peeing. He wanted me to record, so here I am recording. But we had to hang up the call because I couldn't speak to you and do like this. Gosh. Oh, yeah. So if you've been waiting for season 2. My leg. Guys, like and subscribe to make my leg feel better, please. Wait. My leg better. My leg better.
You can sleep over.
Hey, let me in the car. Guys, if he has a channel, I'll tell you if my friend has a channel. And please like and sub when I tell him to him. Bro, just park in my house. Just park in my house. This is not my house. My house is there. The house is there. Guys, this whole video might be short, but it's for my friend. So shout out to him. And have a great day, bro. Watch this, please. Please go to my channel and watch this.